Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify with CG dropshipping. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically for the connections or any integrations, we will need to install applications that allow us to integrate Shopify store with other services or other applications and APIs. For that, we will need just to go to apps and then go to the app and sales channel settings. By clicking here, it will take us to the apps and sales channels panel. And now we will need just to go to the App Store. By clicking there, we need just to search for CG Dropshipping. If you do not find it here, you can just search for it. So CG drop shipping and you will find it here. You click on it and from here make sure that it's developed by CG dropshipping so it can be the official integration. You click on install and you wait for the app to be installed successfully in your store. So we confirm install and now we will have the integration that will be installed successfully, and now you will need just to read and accept, and then you will start the process of logging in to your CG account. By clicking here, you will need just to add your account. You can connect by with Google or anything else. So I'm just going to click on Google. I'm just going to connect with my account, continue, and now you will have your account that has been connected successfully. So from here, I will just block the notification. I'm going to block, and now you will have your Shopify store that has this application added. So as you can see, now we have connected both of the authorize, confirm, and now the authorization is a success. And now we have connected our Shopify store with our CG dropshipping website. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.